Welcome back to Eating with King Steph the Chef. Sorry for the wait. I know I've been MIA, but today I got an easy recipe for y'all. We're gonna make vegan chili with jasmine rice. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so for our ingredients, as y'all can see, got some pinto beans, black beans, great northern beans, got the sweet golden corn, we got some diced green peppers and onions, and of course we got our tomato sauce, basil, garlic, and oregano. Of course, y'all know my season mix. If y'all have been here before, I'll be adding some Chipotle chili pepper to give it some flavor and kick, as well as some Creole Seasoning. And of course, it's only being cooked with extra olive oil. So, y'all stay tuned to the procedures. All right, so step one, went ahead and got the rice cooking. It's boiling, so we turned it down to low. Let it finish cooking. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the vegetables, the ones that have the juice, the excess juice, and drain that out. Let's go stir in this rice. How you turn it? All right, so get some more of this excess juice. Now, go ahead and get it over here into this. Use your can opener. And trouble getting the top up. This one still got some excess juice, so we're gonna come back over here, get that out. Okay. Now we have all that done. Go ahead and set this on the stove. Rice got the good consistency to it, so waiting for it to finish draining. And mix it up before you add your seasoning. So everything's mixed evenly. First, we're gonna do the Creole seasoning. Just a light sift across. That's where the real kick gonna come in at. Now we mix. Think about this, you don't add too much, y'all. Tomatoes are very acidic. So you just want to add enough flavor. And we will be having Creole rice. Creole Jasmine Rice with Chipotle. Oh yeah. Alright, so we done mixed it up, flavored it up, seasoned it. It's coming to a nice boil, so we're gonna go ahead and add the sauce. Going. Oh yeah. We'll let this go sit about a minute or two, then it'll be ready. So y'all can see this is the finished product. I also topped it with some vegan pepper jack style cheese. Y'all go check this out. This is very delicious. Y'all will enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all like the video. Let me know some more vegan ideas y'all would like to see in my videos.